It's like every day, dealing with the same shit. Boys fearing nowhere. It ain't fair, I know this. And it's like all my life, all my life, dealing with the same shit. Boys fearing nowhere. It ain't fair, I know this. And it's like all my life, all my life. Struggling for a penny and I'm starving for $1. Feeling like a rabid dog, they pulling on my collar. A problem's present every time I wake up out of bed. Mom's steadily trying to figure what the fuck's in my head. Like this rap music got to him, it's slowly taking over. And it's only getting stronger, then they put the pressure on you like, son, what you gonna do with your life? I'm like, whatever I do, I'ma do with this mic. I'm in love with the bitch till the day that I die. From the cradle to the grave, from this earth to the sky. Y'all see my downfall, but all I see is my rise. You suggest I drop the pen and get a regular 9 to 5. Forget your opinion, nigga, fuck what you like. I see your eyes on success, well I'ma fuck what you like. You don't got enough hope so I can give up my dreams. And I know I'm blessed, regardless from the way it seems sometimes. But I'm still dealing with the same shit. Boys fearing nowhere. It ain't fair, I know this. And it's like all my life, all my life, dealing with the same shit. Boys fearing nowhere. It ain't fair, I know this. And it's like all my life, all my life. Praying on a better day as I live out another night. Doing what I want cause I don't live another's life. My ways respected, the rules I neglected. No money for a bill so they cut the electric. All spending dark hours showered in evil thoughts. Waking is empowered by the power being bought. $1 for a dream, they say you rob you for your 4 quarters. Can't see your Chico pay, now you're locked in 4 corners. Well, call us mourners since justice just died on us. The trust us, injustice just rides on us. Well, actually, they riding Beamers and Mercedes-Benz tight. Hating on me cause I knew they ladies' best friends like. Now they pushing towards me and you're looking at a low. I won't say you're in a jam, but it seems you're kinda stuck. Dazed and confused how I did it without bugs. Cause I'm a pimp type nigga when you shouldn't trust. But I'm still dealing with the same shit. Boys fearing nowhere. It ain't fair, I know this. And it's like all my life, all my life, dealing with the same shit. Boys fearing nowhere. It ain't fair, I know this. And it's like all my life, all my life. And if it ain't enough, I'm tired of these bitch niggas. They're no talent type, but wanna spit niggas. They come around, trying to judge my sound, to only put me down. Well, it's time you hear me out. I'll make it on my own, nigga, standing on my toes, slowly rising to the top, and I don't need you. Keep your distance from a bitch, cause he'll take the credit quick. Just copy all your shit to have a chance to get rich. A shame, I know it is, but sadly it's how it goes. Acting down with your boys and put you out in front of hoes. Make a joke about your style, then copy all your clothes. Call you up about a bitch with your wifey on the phone. Projecting insecurity, often off of you. Whatever he can't do, he'll say you can't too. If you listen to this verse and kinda get offended, it's who I'm talking about, nigga, listen and respect it. But I'm still dealing with the same shit. Boys fearing nowhere. It ain't fair, I know this. And it's like all my life, all my life, dealing with the same shit. Boys fearing nowhere. It ain't fair, I know this. And it's like all my life, all my life.
Yeah, man. It's like I got my plate full of haters, full of days being broke. But fuck it, it's what I feed off, you know. The everyday struggle make me feel alive. Never hold me down. X Jersey.